got woken up at 1:40 this morning by my mokopuna in Waharo. She kept ringing and ringing to wake me up. And she told me what was happening. I didn't know what she was talking about. I had no idea. I didn't realise my face was on the billboard. She just kept saying to me, Nan, what's going on?
Did you give permission for your photo to be used on these billboards?
No.
All my life, I've only ever known Nan to be very pro-Māori. It was very staunch supporter of Te Pāti Māori, everything Māori. She, even at her age, is still giving back to our iwi.
I'm sad. I'm angry. Come and see me. But the damage has been done. And to all those wards out there, please go and vote for your Māori wards. That's all I can say to you. Go and vote for them. Because we need them. We need them. I did not authorise the Hobson's pledge to put my face up.